Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. Your iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID, iCloud and Find My are enabled, plus Bluetooth and location services are on. Once done, keep the phone close and open the AirPods case if they might be inside. This wakes their radio. Make sure you have cellular or Wi-Fi so the app can fetch locations. These steps guarantee the device can be queried. Without them, you won't get live updates or sound options. You now use the Find My app to get a precise readout. Open Devices, select your AirPods, and view the map. If they appear as a current location, follow the pin. If nearby, tap Play Sound and move toward the louder chirps. If the AirPods are in the case or dead, the app shows the last known location. Use that as your starting point. Make sure to watch the map while you approach because signal strength and sound are how you narrow down the exact spot. You finish by recovering and verifying. Once you locate the AirPods, play a test clip and reconnect them to your iPhone. If battery is low, place them in the case to charge. If they show offline, enable Notify when found so you get an automatic alert when they come online. If the app only shows a distant last location or they're stolen, use the serial number, enable Lost Mode, and consider filing a report. These steps increase the chance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.